So in order to test the effects of bromelain on dissolving meat, we designed an experiment in which we marinated meat in blended up pineapple juice for an extended amount of time. Then we tested the difference in tenderness between the marinated meat and the unmarinated meat. We obtained fresh pineapple from Meyer and used a food processor to blend it into a puree. It is important to use fresh pineapple for this process as processed pineapple has undergone processing involving high amounts of heat.
At 10 a.m. the next day, we cut up a piece of pork into 3 equal-sized pieces. Next, we poured half of the prepared pineapple juice into a beaker to be heated to 85 degrees Celsius. Then we filled another beaker with the unheated pineapple juice. Lastly, we put each piece of pork into a different beaker, one in heated pineapple juice, one in unheated pineapple juice, and one piece to serve as a control.
Then we covered the beakers with parafilm and were off to store in Cooley's fridge. I'm sure she appreciated the aesthetic. After 2.5 hours, we took our beakers out to observe the effects of the pineapple juices. To do this, we applied the complex universal poking test. As you can see, the control and the meat in the heated pineapple juice have relatively the same tenderness. Meanwhile, the meat in the unheated pineapple juice has become lighter in color and has also developed a mushier texture.
After an additional 1 hour and 45 minutes, we took the meat out of the beakers and once again applied the complex universal poking test. As you can see, the control and the meat in the heated pineapple juice haven't changed much in terms of tenderness. However, the meat in the unheated pineapple juice has become even more mushy and has undergone a drastic change in both color and texture.
In conclusion, the unheated pineapple juice was definitely more effective in tenderizing the meat than the heated pineapple juice. This is because of the heat reducing the effectiveness of bromelain. The meat also changed color after the marinating process. This is because of the effects of the acids in pineapple juice. However, there was some experimental error in the heated pineapple juice.
After heating the pineapple juice, we didn't give it enough time to cool down before adding the meat. Therefore, the meat was partially cooked on the outside by the heat from the pineapple juice. This color change is not the result of bromelain or pineapple juice, but the result of excessive heat. For future experiments, one should allow for the juice to cool entirely after heating. This would provide a better comparison.
Nonetheless, thanks for watching!